Hi, I'm Ed Baldwin with your weekly wrap-up for Friday, January the 20th. Well, the grain and oilseed markets, they traded both sides of unchanged again this week, with the oilseeds closing lower as moisture fell in parts of Argentina and in the U.S. The soybeans were lower after posting a 7th-month high on just Wednesday before the prices turned lower on reports of Brazil's export price being 75 cents lower than in the U.S. The corn and wheat markets, well, they finished the week out mixed. Our March canola contract this week was down again. It was down hard, $27.10 a ton, and closed at $812.60. The canola, well, it did start the week out higher, but it just could not maintain the momentum and ended the week lower with after five straight losses in the European rapeseed market weighed on the prices. The soybean complex also turned lower at the end of the week, which added to the downward pressure. Our March soybean contract, well, it was down 21 cents on the week, and it closed out at $15.07. The March corn contract, well, it was up a penny, so it was just up marginally, but closing out at $6.76. The March oat contract, well, it rallied, it gained 7 cents on the week, and it finished the week at $3.71. And our March spring Minneapolis spring wheat contract, well, it gained a penny this week as well, and closed at $9.13. The wheat markets, well, they traded both sides of unchanged as there's forecasts for better rain events were put up against the improved exports that we saw this week, and they had the prices gyrating. However, Russia's dominance in the world wheat market exports continues to limit the upside for wheats. Our Canadian dollar this week, well, it basically finished the week unchanged. It was up very marginally. It closed at 74.73. And crude oil, well, it did manage a little bit of an upside as well. It finished up $1.56 a barrel and closed out at $81.67. For next week, well, next week is China's New Year lunar holiday. And generally speaking, the markets have very little upside during this week-long celebration. For canola, we'll be looking for this weakness that we saw this week to continue into next week, with prices working their way down towards that $780 to $800 range. And for wheat, we'll be looking for it to continue to attempt to bounce off of this $9 area, with the upside being limited to that $9.20 to $9.25. I'm Ed Baldwin with your weekly wrap-up for Friday, January the 20th.